I'm Victor White, Barbados' first winter sports athlete competing in free skiing. Right now I'm on a journey to take Barbados to the Winter Olympics in February 2018. This is my life and my road to Pyeongchang 2018 in Korea.
Guys, I'm completely destroyed. Still doing the morning yoga, still doing the core workout. I went for a run yesterday and I feel it in my body. Today though, have the potential to be the most expensive vlog so far.
I'm nicely dressed because my friend William, he graduated. He's having a graduation party, so I got him a nice bottle of rum. But first, I'm gonna meet up with my crazy friend Adrian and Pontus and Simon. I'm very excited. You're gonna see why. Still running bay jump time, FYI. I'm meeting them for lunch. Thai food. Thai food is nice. I have to introduce the guys. We have Adrian here and Simon. We're gonna have some fun today. This is gonna be crazy. These birds are crazy. What? Should we get going, guys? Okay, I need to get a parking ticket. There. I've never been out here. A lot of expensive boats. Now, this is the thing I don't like about Sweden. Everywhere you park, you have to pay. And here the rate is... it's not that bad. 30 kronor timman. Boom, ticket. Guys, you remember my journeys from yesterday. You see all the splashed animals? I didn't drive fast though. So there's this jet ski. I'm excited. There's a boat race going on today. So we are not sure if we can actually go out with the jet ski or what's happening. But we're gonna see what they say. Hopefully. They do this race where there's a little island in Sweden called Gotland. Sail around it and they might start here in Stockholm. So they sail all the way there and like go around the island and then come back. So this place is called Kungliga Djurgården, Udden something, and that translated is the Royal Animal Farm. They have some boats in Nimbus, Supreme Marina, what's that? That's like 200,000 US. Pretty little boaty. Yeah, we'll have something decent. Yeah, 1 million and 1.2 million. This is pretty good.
Ja, den här är ju läcker. Det är den här som är så säker, eller hur?
Oh yeah. Look at this bad boy. We got the jet ski back there. Our friends they're out at sea, so we're gonna have to ride 3 people on the jet ski there. Let's hope we won't. Oh, I have a lot of expensive camera gear and stuff. You have to drive safe, Simon.
Yeah, I promise.
Oh, we need to get under the bridge there. Oh, this is low. Limbo. We got this. Limbo skills. Let's go, we're on our way. It's too I'm filming all the time. It's too sketchy to go 3 people on the jet ski. It's pretty unstable. So we're gonna wait for our friend here. Vad heter det här stället? Fjäderholmen. We're sitting here and this little boat just pulled in. Fairline. What is it? 68 feet? That's insane. He's fueling up. That refuel is probably like $15,000. Insane.
Åh jävlar! Jag filmar, ligg bredvid mig och så på 3 full gas. Dit. 1, 2, 3.
Our friend William's reception starts in like, it's 3:15 now, it starts at 4. We're probably late, but as you know, I'm running Bajan time, so... Dude, how many horsepower does this thing have?
300.
300! And how much does it weigh?
350.
What? Thanks. See you at Williams.
Bye.
Nice. Awesome, bro. This was insane, but now we have to rush to Williams' place. So we're gonna be a little bit late for his reception, but as you know, Bajans and time. We're done. William, we're coming for you. You might think driving a jet ski is all easy and fun, but I have so much cramp in my hand from like toggling the gas up and down. Oh, and my like underarm is crazy. And then as well, like those things are fast. They go like 130 kilometers in an hour. So you tense your whole body. And oof. But now we're done. Now we're done. Simon, do you have anything to drink? I'm thirsty. Can I take this? Tompa! No answer is yes.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
I somehow lost the guys, the other boys. They're driving too slow and let's just say I'm a skilled driver, you guys know that. Nice to see you, buddy.
Nice to see you too, man. Thanks for coming to Sweden after your adventures.
You have to open the gate. I didn't wrap it, so...
Ooh, Dorleys.
Barbados rum.
Finally free.
12-year-old.
Finally free. World of White, Instagram, we're Victor White. Business card.
William's dad is my old teacher.
That's it.
It's pretty fun.
One and only.
Nice. Now
Cheers.
it's time to party, bro.
Yeah.
You're definitely putting on a good show here. The Casa de la Sebsta. The fun thing is like, there's a lot of guys here I haven't seen in years. For example, this guy. Free shout out.
Hello, World of White.
That's a bad shout out. And this guy, familiar.
Yeah, 100%.
How are you doing, Jacob?
Yeah, I'm the mate from Australia. You can watch me in episode 22, I think.
World of White 22. We're live at World of White. How did the run go?
Dude, you have to send me some beats. Promise.
I promise.
I'm not drinking today, unfortunately, because I got shitloads of work and a meeting like tonight. But this is a good time. I got my audience here like watching me vlog and like, what the f is he doing? But I don't care. There's a guy who want to be in the vlog right there.
No habla inglés.
These Swedes don't know how to promote themselves on vlogs. Show us your moves.
No moves here.
Your mother's gonna watch this.
No moves.
What's going on? DJ William?
Just DJing a bit.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch.
Hey, my Instagram is Kolarvidpolstedt.
This is my sexy look.
Yeah, Snapchat, Instagram.
Nej, mina tänder.
Mr. Putting each other here.
But his last name says it all. He's white.
Yeah,
On the inside at least.
he's a liar.
Yeah, and he